Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to build a super simple yet surprisingly powerful to-do list using only Google Sheets. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have your own organized to-do list that you can customize however you like, keep track of your tasks, and even add functionality like drop-downs and filters, all without any complicated formulas or coding. Let's dive right in. Now, to save us some time in this walkthrough, I've already prepared some sample data. But if you're following along from scratch, the first step you'll want to take is to add your task entries. Think of the first column as your task column. This is where you'll type in what you actually need to do. For example, maybe you've got finish report, schedule meeting, or even buy groceries. Keeping your task descriptions clear and concise will make it easier to scan your list later. Next, let's add a due date for each task. This would be your second column, labeled due date. Dates might seem like a minor detail, but trust me, adding them helps you figure out what's urgent at a glance, and it's a total lifesaver for organizing your week. Just enter the dates in a standard format like 6/12/2024 so they're easy for Google Sheets to recognize. After that, we're going to create a column for status. This is where you'll keep track of whether each task is not started, in progress, or completed. Jotting down a status for every task might sound optional, but it's honestly one of the keys to staying productive. It's like having a mini progress bar for your life, super satisfying. Let's also dedicate a fourth column to notes. This can be useful for any extra info related to the task, maybe a phone number, a quick reminder, or a link. Think of it as your catch-all for anything you want to remember that doesn't fit elsewhere. Alright, now that your basic data in place, it's time to make your sheet a bit more appealing. You can color your data sheet if you want to. This part is totally optional, but it really helps break up the monotony and makes your list more inviting to use. Try highlighting due dates in yellow or completed tasks in green. Play around and make it your own. Don't be afraid to experiment. Here where things get a bit more interactive. Let's add a drop-down menu to the status column to make updating your tasks a breeze. First, drag to select the cells in your status column where you want the drop-downs to appear. Now head up to the Insert tab at the top of Google Sheets. In the drop-down menu that appears, you'll see an option called Drop-down. Click on that and you can enter your own custom choices like Not Started, In Progress, and Completed. This transforms your sheet from being just static data into something much more clickable and practical, so you can simply select a status from the list instead of typing every time. Finally, let's make your to-do list even easier to navigate by adding filters. Select all your data, the entire block, including column headers and all your tasks. Now look to the top right of your toolbar. You'll see a little filter icon that looks like a funnel. Click that and you can now filter tasks by due date, status, or whatever you need. This is especially helpful when your list gets longer, so you can say only view what's in progress or what's due this week. And there you go, you've built a simple, customizable to-do list in Google Sheets, no programming required. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, and if you have any questions or ideas for future tutorials, drop a comment below. I love hearing from you all. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy tech tips. Thanks for watching and good luck staying organized.